Number 9. Number 9, shh, please listen. Negative exponents.
Is that what it's called?
What was the answer?
21. 21?
Shh. Negative exponents.
Oh, it's different. Why do you do it in red?
If a power is negative, move from, and I'm going to put top here and bottom here, and then I'm going to do this. It could go from top to bottom, or it could go from bottom to top, but move it to the opposite spot. If the power is negative, move to the opposite, top to bottom, bottom to top, and make it a plus. Cancel and rewrite. Okay, so negative exponents. Here's the deal. Anything to a negative exponent cannot be left in an answer. We did this in pre-algebra last year.
Is that rewrite?
Rewrite. A very poor looking rewrite, yes. Natalie.
So it says cancel and rewrite?
Cancel and rewrite. So if it has a negative exponent and it's on the top, you take it to the bottom, it becomes a positive exponent. If it's in the bottom, take it to the top, it gets rid of the negative. Now, this one here, the 2x to the negative third y, is there anything on the bottom at all there?
No.
See, let me show you. If you don't see a fraction bar, just assume it's all on the top and there's just a 1 on the bottom. You can do that. So if it is 2x to the negative 3y, everything's fine except that x. So here's what you would do. You would leave the 2 there, you would take the x down, and it's now a positive 3 power, and y stays put. And that is your answer. 2y over x to the third.
Is this like what we did last quarter?
Because you can never leave a negative exponent in an answer. Okay? Shh. It's just like leaving a fraction non-simplified. You know, if you left something 2/4, that's wrong. You have to simplify it to 1/2. Well, just like that, leaving a negative exponent, that's wrong. You should never do it. Okay. What's that?
So they're wrong.
If you left it alone, it would be wrong. That's why we just fixed it. All right, B. Here's the thing on B. The 6 and the 9, I would go ahead and simplify. It's not really to any powers.
2/3.
So that becomes a 2 and that becomes a 3. So I definitely have a 2 on top and a 3 on the bottom. Okay, the x to the negative 3 goes to the bottom as x third. The y to the 5th is perfectly fine where it is, so I'm leaving it up there. When I look at the bottom, I've got x to the negative 2 down there, so it has to come up as an x squared. And the y that's down there, perfectly fine where it is.
Isn't there supposed to be an ABC order on the top?
We're not done yet,
Oh,
but yes. Okay, so we have just moved the powers to make them positive. Now it says cancel. So we've canceled earlier in this sheet, and now we're going to cancel again, and I'm going to do it like this. So when I look at the x's, there's 2 on top and 3 on the bottom. How many will we cancel out?
2.
So these are gone completely, and x to the third becomes x to the first. The y's, there's 5 on top and 1 on the bottom. How many can I cancel?
4.
1. So the 1 on the bottom's gone completely, and the y to the 5th becomes 4th. And now I write my final answer, which would be 2y to the 4th on top over 3x on the bottom.
Oh.